Friends, our today's topic is shapes. Shapes are all around us. The most common shapes are square, circle, rectangle, and triangle. Let's see one by one. Friends, this is square. A square has 4 equal sides. Friends, I repeat once more. A square has 4 equal sides. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Friends, the most common square shapes are carom board, chessboard, photo frame, tiles and many more. All these square objects have 4 equal sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. We can see squares everywhere. Friends, this is circle. A circle has no sides. I repeat once more, a circle has no sides. The most common circle objects are coin, button, swimming ring, dartboard and many more. All these circle objects have no sides. We can see circles everywhere. Friends, this is rectangle. A rectangle has 4 sides, 2 short sides and 2 long sides. Friends, I repeat, a rectangle has 4 sides, 2 short sides and 2 long sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. The most common rectangle objects are window, pillow, board and credit cards. All these rectangle objects have 2 short sides and 2 long sides. Totally 4 sides. We can see rectangles everywhere. This is triangle. A triangle has 3 sides. I repeat once more. A triangle has 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. The most known triangle objects are strawberry, slice of a watermelon, Christmas tree and a flower pot. All these triangle objects have 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. We can see triangles everywhere. Friends, you can find many objects like this at your home. Find out and surprise your mom and dad. Thank you for watching. We will see you in the next video. Until then, bye-bye. Be happy. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe our channel.